Hello sir, how are you doing? I hope you are doing really great. I'm very honored to teach a famous doctor like you. So without any further ado, let's get started. You want me to teach you about the recording process with the help of this OBS software. So we will talk about right now. It's pretty much simple technique I will show you. I will show different types of recording technique right now. I'm sure that you are familiar with the OBS interface. This is source panel. Here you can add multiple things. This is actually your webcam, and display capture is your screen recording area. So if you want to add an image, and you can give a speech by the help of that image. So just we will have to produce reels, a reel size which is 1080 by 1920. It's a vertical format. So let me add the image over here. Just go to add an image, and then okay, then you have to look at that image. Just suppose I want to add this image over here. Just press OK and resize this image according to your display. This is the real size, this image. So you don't need to resize it properly because I will do the job for you. So this image, the video capture device, actually is your web camera. Web camera you can move wherever you want, but I will resize it later. When you will give me the raw clips, I will resize it for you. So suppose I set my video over here and take a presentation image so that you can present with the help of your image. So now you can press the start recording button, then you will start speaking about the image. When it's done, then you can delete this image or replace it. Just simply go to the image layer and then press right button and then properties. Go to the properties section and browse a different image. If I want to add another image on the top of this image, so go to the add and go to the image again. This will be the image 2. Okay, press OK and browse a different image, then take this one and OK, and then resize like this. Then you can start your speech according to this subject, and after finish you can simply stop the camera recording. This is a fast process. You don't need to worry about this whole image. This size is actually a YouTube size, but I'll crop it like here and make it a shorts version and reels format. You can record freely and send it to me the raw file. Rest of the things I will handle all of it. I hope you understand. I will jump into the second step, second category that you can record with the OBS. So delete it. If you want to add a video file and give a speech with the video file, then you can add media source. Okay, just press it, right button of your mouse, and then okay. Then you have to locate a video file. Simply I'm just going to show you a demo with this clip. So I think you don't need to video capture because most of the time you will presentation with your image. If you want to screen record any kind of necessary elements, like just you can see that this is actually a reel format. Okay, this is a reel format. White is perfect, but we will cut off rest of the unnecessary parts when I will edit for you. If you want to record any other website, you can record like this. Just if you want to make the reel size, just go to the restore down the page, just like this. This is a real size, and the recording is started already. When it's off, then you can give me the raw footage and I will crop it according to the real size, and I will try to make a polished content for you. So that's it, sir. I hope this small tutorial helps you. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to show you something. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you very much.